and it's been captured here by Krishna's Kaviraj. First, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu quotes this verse 29, 10th canto, chapter 29, verse number 40. Yogya bhave jagate jata yuvatira gun. Yuvati gun. Yuvati means the young girls. Sometimes it means unmarried. It just means very young girls. Yuvati gun means a group of young girls. Krishna's quality is such that he attracts not only the minds of the gopis and the Lakshmis, but the minds of all young girls in the three worlds as well. Yogya bhave jagate. In other words, Krishna is love. Krishna is yogya. Yogya bhave means he's endowed with, or he has this qualification, this yogya bhave, of this bhav, this madhurya bhav, this love, this sweetness, this charm, this all attractiveness, that it says jagate jata yuvatira. Jagate jata juvatira, because it's all J in the Bengali. So it's jogya bhave jagate jata juvatira gan. He attracts all the young girls in the universe. Now, the next verse, Lord Chaitanya says, now I'm going to speak as one of those young girls. Now I'm going to speak as one of those young girls in the Jagate who's being attracted to Krishna's Yogya Bhave. The Jagate Yuvati is attracted to the Madhurya Bhav of Krishna. The Madhurya Sarup, we say Radharani is the Mahabhav Sarupini. Well, Krishna is Rasaraj. He's Rasaraj and Rasika Shekhara.